growth is their mantra, and the global marketplace is their playground. ICICI Bank Business Banking and CNBC TV18 present Emerging India Awards 2014, an initiative that started in 2005, grew to empower and recognize lakhs of small and medium enterprises, acknowledging their contribution to the nation and the economy. Celebrating their success stories, the awards traveled from Mumbai to London to Macau and grew to become India's biggest business awards. Eminent leaders like Shri Manmohan Singh and Shri P. Chidambaram, Mr. Sachin Pilot, Mr. Kamal Nath, Mr. Jyotiraditya Scindia, Ms. Chanda Kochar, Mr. K.V. Kamath, and many others have supported and felicitated the winners over the years.
We are second to none when it comes to the race for creativity.
This is an important occasion when we acknowledge stellar role that SMEs are playing in driving India's economy. In any country, it is the SMEs that are the driving force.
No company that is present here today in the next 5 years will even fit in this category of small and medium scale companies, because we want all of you to grow, to go to a scale and empty this space for other companies to come and take forward.
We see an emerging India, we see a vibrant India, and we see that the future is India.
We are celebrating the future of India.
SMEs will have to play a much larger role in the growth of India.
These are the companies which are writing the India story. In front of us in this hall are the best and the brightest, the most indomitable, resilient, heroic examples of Indian entrepreneurship.
This year, some of the biggest names in India Inc. mentor the SMEs in the special on-air series by addressing their challenges one-on-one and charting out a roadmap for their growth. And India's finest entrepreneurs were selected through objective and stringent criteria by India's biggest business leaders.
In the last 10 years, the SMEs have really come a long way. Today we have the SMEs which contribute 50% to our exports, 50% to employment, 50% to industrial output, and all this is being powered by approximately 50 million SMEs. So that's what the whole sector has emerged into.
It has been a challenging year for the Indian SMEs. For them, the resilience factors are actually smaller. The trade cycles just get more and more elongated, whether it's from their suppliers or from their buyers. The banks have been taking very comforting kind of an approach towards the SMEs as well.
We saw a variety of responses, some of them outstanding responses.
You need these awards in order to celebrate success. These are the future companies which are going to be emerging into bigger league and so on.
It's a good platform to recognize emerging corporates. They look at it as a benchmark for future performance and where they can go from here.
And awarded across categories. Today, ICICI Bank Business Banking and CNBC TV18's Emerging India Awards has become the benchmark of excellence for India's SMEs. Ladies and gentlemen, let's honor the rising stars of India Inc. ICICI Bank Business Banking and CNBC TV18 present the Emerging India Awards 2014.